just about to pick these guys up. This is like the second early morning shit. What's up, bro? Oh. So, we're finally here, and we found this little mountain over here that we're going to hike up to, and then fly from there. Hopefully get pretty good shots, but like the sky just sucks today. The sky is so bad. It's so blown out. We were supposed to reach here 2 hours earlier. We're here now, but yeah, the sky is super blown out. I mean, yo, bright sun. But I mean, the water is amazing. We're gonna get some great pictures. I hope we get some great pictures. There's seawater on one side. You can't see it right now, but there's seawater on the other side as well. So yeah, I hope we get some good shots. And I hope you enjoy the video. So bad. Hiking with a lot of gear. Let's go. We finally reached the top, and this is what it looks like.
Put a GoPro on a bird. There are very so many pigeons over here, and we think they're very friendly, and we'll put a GoPro on a bird and see if it goes and takes a video and comes back with our GoPro. That's
all
it.
the birds you could have chosen, you chose a pigeon.
Seagull. ठीक pigeon friendly होते हैं ना, आओ आओ करते हैं ना pigeon, इसलिए तो करते हैं.
चूतिया होते हैं यार.
But आओ आओ देखो